Hello everyone. I just got this box and it made a long trip all the way from Japan to Brazil, and I would like to open it together with you. So let me just get a knife over here. Um, and I think this thing will be super cool for the retro community, especially for the MSX. Okay, let's just remove this thing. Okay, so let me just put that aside. And, okay, get the package over here. And now let's just do it like this. Oops. And let's see what we have inside. And I do have a few trays. So let's see now. Okay. Rubber. And I don't know if you guys can see over there, but let's just... Oh wow, I use this with bikes, and now... Okay, this one's fine. And now this one. And here is what we have.